Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing another room transformation video. तो मैंने एक already किया हुआ है ये living room का ही. I'm going to make sure to link that one in the description box below. I personally loved the way that video came together and I think you guys also really liked that video. So it's time for a part 2. So basically this studio has 2 bedrooms. One bedroom is my walk-in wardrobe and then the other one used to be like my bedroom you could say, but then I don't really sleep here anymore, so it didn't really make sense for me to have like a bedroom. I thought let's kind of revamp it, make it like a new space for me to film in, and also kind of like a editing slash working space is what the vision is. But I do want to make it very colorful. Like ये जो living room है बहुत ही ज़्यादा neutral और boho है. I want to kind of do the opposite of this room in the inside wala room. There are going to be quite a few DIYs in today's video, so I hope you guys are excited. Before we move on with today's video, I do want to show you a before of the room and then we can get started. Okay, so the agenda for today is to go and buy some paints for the wall. Stationery se bhi we need to pick up a few things, more paints actually, and I think that's it. Is there something else that we need to buy?
No, on priority we need paints.
Paints because we're painting today. So let's get that out of the way. So एक ये dark तो हो गया, अभी थोड़े light colors भी चाहिए. I think इनमें से कोई लेता है. Paints are done. 650 में we got 4 different shades. Okay, so this is the wall that we're going to be painting. Obviously ये सब निकाल देंगे and यहाँ पे एक furniture का piece आएगा and यहाँ पे I'll give you a small sneak peek. Another furniture piece has been placed. Of course you'll see it towards the end, but we're gonna do like really pretty like squiggly lines and I don't know, we'll have to mark and we'll have to figure what we're doing, but it's just going to be a really fun wall. Okay, so this is what today's to-do list looks like. Let's start with the first one. Okay, let's start with DIY number 1. So we got these printouts. So basically this is a set that comes together. It comes in all different types of colors. We chose this purple lavender sort of a theme and it has like a sticker nahi, sorry, kya bolte isko? Tape. It has a tape at the back so you can easily just stick it on the wall. We're doing like a collage wall on one of the tiny walls. So we finally managed to clean out this room. Of course needs to be decorated still, but ये जो ugly cupboard आपको दिख रहा है that also is going to get revamped. Basically इस पे सरमाइका लगा रहे हैं हम white color का just to make it clean and just blend in with the room. Also our huge IKEA parcel has come in. We have a desk यहाँ पे and lots of organizers for the new room. Okay, so as you can see cupboard का काम start हो चुका है, सरमाइका लगना start हो चुका है, but ये जो बीच के जो strips है वो नहीं लग पाएंगे like उस पे सरमाइका. So we're just gonna paint it white so that the entire cupboard looks really nice, and we've also gotten these golden handles so that the whole cupboard only looks really nice and really cute. Okay, so for the next DIY, we're gonna need these Fevicryl moldeds. I've actually worked with this in the past as well, and I feel like it's such a good DIY medium. You can do so many things with this. So basically, एक पैकेट में 2 टाइप के क्लेज आते हैं जो आपको कंबाइन करने होते हैं. Within like a minute or 2, you're gonna be able to kind of mix it together, and this is what it should look like. It's like regular clay. It's very soft to work with, so you can make whatever you want. So basically what I'm doing is I'm making lots of like flowers. I want to make like a border for my mirror. So So as you can see, I'm just making petals यहाँ पे अलग अलग, and then I'm going to combine it, mold it with my fingers and make it into a flower. I just think it looks really cutesy, and overall I have a feeling it's going to turn out really pretty. I'm doing different sizes also, by the way. सब same size के नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगेगा variation होगा तो. It is definitely very time consuming. For me to make all of these, like around 30 to 35 flowers, it took me 2 to 3 hours. So once I'm done making all of my flowers, I'm just going to paint them. Again, I'm going to do different shades of purple. I'm just using the same paint that we used on the wall ताकि थोड़ा सा flow रहे, like all the colors in the room are the same. And then with the help of some hot glue gun, I'm going to start sticking these to my mirror. So this mirror I got from Amazon, and I'm just sticking these flowers on the border of the mirror. As I mentioned earlier, I want to make it like a frame. Interesting mirror बनाना है मुझे, and I will show you what it looks like towards the end. We actually have one more last thing to do, which is to paint this table. So again, ये table भी मैंने Amazon से लिया था, कुछ 2-3,000 rupees का लिया था, वो भी 3-4 साल पहले, and it served its purpose. I want to revamp it. I want to use it in this new room as well, because brown definitely will not go with the new room. So just painting the legs with our regular wall paint only. Okay, so we're finally done with our transformation. Almost done. आज last step है जो है plant खरीदना, just for like the finishing touch, and we are here at a nursery. We want a fiddle. Let's see if we can find it. There are also so many cute cactuses, but ऐसा बोलते हैं कि घर पे नहीं रखना चाहिए. So we're gonna avoid. So this is the one that we ended up picking. Couldn't find a fiddle. This is Bird of Paradise. We're just waiting for our rickshaw right now. And welcome to my new room. So as you can see, we have painted the wall quite a bit. You've seen us doing that already. Let me actually start off by talking about what the color of the room is. So basically we've played with a bunch of purples, and how it began was with these couches. So I got these really cute couches made. They're custom made. I'm going to make sure to link the guy from whom we got them made, because he's done a fabulous job. I showed him a reference picture and he killed it. So basically वो एक कैटलॉग लेके आया था, और कैटलॉग में बेसिकली एक बहुत ही प्रिटी एमेथिस्ट जूल टोन पर्पल था, which is this one, and I just fell in love with the color, and that's what basically inspired the entire room. So playing off of this, we colored our wall. So that's our wall right here, and I really think green is a neutral, so we had to add a plant, of course. Moving right, we have our cupboard right here, जो पहले भी यहीं पे था, but as you can tell, we've changed the sarmaita. It's become white. We've also tried to change the knobs. It's not exactly what I wanted it to look like, but it's okay. It's not as ugly as it used to be. It just kind of blends in. Anyway, it's a very useful cupboard. I did not want to get rid of it because this holds all of our props. So I'll just give you like a small sneak peek. Like we have all of our lights, we have our flowers, decoration, like everything is really well organized. It doesn't look very pretty, but we know exactly kahan pe kya hai. We also made kind of like an Excel sheet. It's not an Excel sheet. Basically, we've just made like a notes ka tab wherein we've written down everything that we have. So whenever there's a shoot, we know what all we have basically. And then here, यहाँ पे बेसिकली पहले भी कुछ था नहीं एज सच, यहाँ पे एक ट्रंक पड़ा हुआ था, बट आई रियली वांटेड टू पुट अ डेस्क हियर बिकॉज एज यू कैन सी देयर इज लवली सनलाइट दैट कम्स इन हियर. वी डिड नॉट इवन नो कि यहाँ पे अच्छा सनलाइट आता है, बिकॉज आई लव माई स्टूडियो. द ओनली थिंग दैट आई वुड ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट इज कि काश सनलाइट आती है, यू नो, ड्यूरिंग द गोल्डन आवर. एंड यहाँ पे एक्चुअली सनलाइट आती है ड्यूरिंग द गोल्डन आवर. आई कैन सी द सनसेट, सो आई कैन फिल्म लाइक रियली प्रिटी like makeup videos. So there's beautiful light coming here, so I wanted to put really nice sheer curtains also. So we've put a desk right here, as I mentioned earlier. This is from IKEA. I did not want like a super heavy duty desk. ये बहुत ही सस्ता और अच्छा desk है. It's very easy to pick up and move it around, and it's just nice to have a desk if I want to do my makeup. In case we're shooting outside, Aditya wants to work, so we have a desk right here. And यहाँ पे मैंने मेरा vision board लगा दिया, जो मैंने एक previous video में आप लोगों के साथ ही बनाया था. And on the desk बहुत ही basic रखा है, मेरा लैपटॉप है, एंड देन कुछ भी नहीं रखा, like I've just like kept random stuff all over. And then moving on to this wall right here. So I wanted to keep this wall plain only for the most part, but थोड़ा सा एक purple accent obviously add करना था. So we got this mirror from Amazon. You've seen us making this DIY already. I love the way this has turned out. It's looking really really cool. It's a labor of love for sure. बहुत ही मेहनत गई है बनाने में, but I'm really happy with the outcome. Then यहाँ पे एक ladder मैंने रखा है only and only because I wanted to keep this frame right here because there's a switchboard यहाँ पे पीछे. You guys know I hate switchboards. There had to be a way for me to hide it, and this was the only way I could think of it. So we have a cute little frame. I think this frame also goes quite well with the room. So yeah, this is our rather plain wall. And finally coming to my favorite wall, to be very honest, is this one right here. So basically this was supposed to be kind of like a locker. I'll pop up a picture of what I wanted it to look like, but it thoda sa alag ho gaya, which is fine. But in short, we just wanted more storage. So we've done a little bit of organization. I'll show you. So here I've kept all of my skincare. Now this is a giveaway drawer. So यहाँ पे सारा skincare रखा है for giveaways. Then right here we have some makeup. Then here what do we have? There's body care, there's hair care. So we've like kind of divided everything really really well, and I'm very happy with the way this has turned out. It looks also very very cute. So this was actually made by a vendor who makes our racks for the warehouse. He was able to make these. I'll link him down below. Upar I think I'm going to add more containers for storage only. I got these from IKEA because there's always so much stuff that I have. I need more storage. And then here again another corner that you guys have already seen us make. It's like a cute collage wall, and I love the pop of green with the purple. I just think it has turned out really really well. So next to the plant I've also kept like a table. Again you've seen us paint that. We basically painted everything that we could find white just for it to go with the vibe. And then we have a telephone from our intro right here. It just went so well with the whole room. I had to keep it here, and I just think अगर मैंने ये सब भी हटा लिया, ये chair को वहाँ रख दिया, it would make for such a good like setup. So I have this wall right here as one backdrop, then I have this wall right here. So that was basically the whole purpose, like having different backgrounds but also kind of beautifying this room. And yeah, with that I'm going to end today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this mini room transformation. ये room ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है, so I didn't have a lot to do with this room, and I didn't want to over clutter it also. I did want to make like two really good backdrops for me and make it functional and have a lot of organization. So I feel like I've achieved everything that I had set out to achieve. Let me know of course what you guys thought in the description box below. I'm going to make sure to link everything that I've showed you in today's video in the description box below. I'm actually kind of sad that I don't have any more rooms left to do a makeover with. मुझे से थोड़ा थोड़ा मन हो रहा है कि बाहर का लिविंग रूम फिर से मेकओवर करूं, but it's too soon. We'll do it next year. And I think with that, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.